Who's committed,
Yes.
who's ready to commit, right?
Yeah.
So kind, warm heart, but also somewhat firm, right? Somewhat firm and assuring,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah. So someone who stand their ground and know what they want.
A good listener as well. Someone that I can talk to. And they just listen. They don't try and solve your problems.
Correct. Yeah.
Mm.
And maybe we can add in there regular sex, right?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Right? You know,
I
so
think you've read my mind.
that's it, right? Okay. Well, that's somewhat in our little conversation at some point, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's okay. We're only human, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And that's
I'm
okay.
I'm a Scorpio as well, so yeah, that's important.
Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Scorpio's when? When is Scorpio exactly?
I'm the 9th of November.
Oh, you just had a birthday.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, great. Wonderful.